Hey, econ students, I have another quick tech tutorial here for you. This one is for the Chrome web extension Read Aloud. So this will be useful when you're going under your resources page and you access the online textbook. You just click on the cover of the book here. It will bring you to the login page. You'll be given a redemption code and we'll set up your online accounts the first day of school. I'm already signed in here, so I'm just going to continue right on to the textbook. So the reason this is nice is your econ textbook does not have a built-in reading function. Some of you may have explored that or noticed that or used that last year in your U.S. history with that textbook. This one does not have that. So when you launch the textbook, like for example, you're going to read Module 1. That's your first reading assignment of the semester. So you'll notice you can take notes, which is kind of cool, right? You can select things and you can highlight, you can add notes, but it doesn't have an option for the website to read to you. And that's where the Chrome web extension Read Aloud comes into play. So when you click on this,
Key idea. Economics deals with the choices we make individually and as a society under conditions of scarcity.
and you can pause it. If you hit play, it'll reread that yellow highlighted. And I actually like that it highlights it, makes it a little bit nicer. I like to hear and sort of read along with the person that's reading. But if you've listened to that section already, you just paused because you needed to take a break. Okay, you can click the fast forward button and it'll take you to the next section. So when you're done reading that page, you hit stop. You can go to the next section of that reading, and then you can just click it again.
What is scarce for you?
And it just automatically starts playing once you click on the Chrome extension up there. So it's really, it's nice. It doesn't necessarily have all of the functionality that built-in websites sometimes have with their Read Aloud. What I do like about it here, if you click on that little, I'll do it again.
What is scarce for you?
If you click on the little gear rate wheel here, you can slow down the speed at which it reads or speed it up. I think the default speed is pretty good, but you might want to slow it down just a little bit if you find she's reading too quickly.
What is scarce for you?
But that's the functionality. The way you're going to add this, if you'd like to add it, you don't have to. This is optional. But if you go under the apps and go to the Chrome Web Store, you just search for Read Aloud, and it should be the first extension listed here. Now, I've already added it, so I don't have a blue button over here that says Add to Chrome, but you can add that, obviously give permissions when it asks or prompts for it, and then it'll look like this little megaphone speaker up here in your extension bar. If you have any questions about it or have difficulty adding the extension, you can shoot me an email or send me a message and remind. That's all for this one. Take care.